Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, today we will take a look finally on the euro currency. Although I can't say that euro currency brings really some superb trading setup, but it's necessary to take a look at it, since euro currency is also the part and the member of this Brexit process, and it's also involved in the problems that stand up on this event that will come very soon on 23rd of the June. So will be the voting, as you know. And euro currency already is starting to feel an impact of this nervousness on the market and this pressure. So as we have written today in a daily update in the text version in the forum, as already the German bonds yield already has moved into the negative numbers. So traders, investors, markets already feels the pressure of this coming event. That's really not good for markets. And the same we see on the euro currency. So as a result of the dropping yields below the 0 point, you can see that euro has been depressed slightly and turning to the downside. So as we have said, now long-term analysis that the appearing of the monthly reversal candle very rare stops at just by this single candle, and usually it takes the continuation. So here we could say on the just minor targets, it's tactical targets that we will get probably on the current week, and then the ultimate targets. Ultimate targets, guys, probably it will be the parity. The moving to the ultimate target probably will happen. This market will get the double impact. First strike will come from the Fed. If today they will say that they plan to increase the rate in July, so we will get some hints on that. And currently the probability of that is approximately 30%, as it follows from the quotes of the Fed fund rate futures. And the second impact could come from the Brexit voting. So it's indeed the United Kingdom will leave the European Union. So this will be really very strong impact on the euro currency, and it really could drop significantly. If this dropping will start, we probably will see the 3 steps in this dropping. First leg will be this ABCD pattern that we see in this chart. It's approximately to the 108 area. Long-term support that stands for a year approximately on the euro currency. So you will see it as soon as you can see, as you will open weekly chart. Second drop will be 1 or 5 lows, and its breakout of these lows will trigger the large and huge butterfly pattern that we have discussed many times on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, that has the target approximately around the parity and slightly below it. So that what we could get if really the Brexit will happen. So today in the current session, of course, everybody on the market will expect the Fed results, Fed announcement. But right now we also could speak on the short-term targets that we have. First of all, pay attention to this ABCD pattern. Here's important moment. Here stands with this top. So after the payrolls that was really poor, market has skyrocketed to the upside and stuck inside of this previous consolidation. Recall the importance of this consolidation that we have talked about it. So as soon as market has dropped below it, downward action has continued. Here it has become the resistance, because that was really very strong area, very important area where a lot of trading volume stand, and a lot of positions have changed the hands around this area. As you can see, long tails. This market really was held tight by a huge amount of orders, either from the upside as from the downside. That's why these areas usually plays very important role. So here's also resistance, breakout, this was support, and again this was resistance. Also it has coincided with this fib level. Here, in fact, market has failed to pass through it, and by this failure, in fact, the upward action has stopped. market has formed reversal candle. We have talked about it. So you can see this is reversal candle because market has moved above the top of the previous candle and closed below the low, not just below the open price, but below the low of the previous session. This causes a reversal, and usually it puts the starting point for deeper action to the downside. Right now market is approaching to the significant support area that's already has been tested once. This is trend line, long term, as you can see right from the bottom. It's a trend line. Also, this is a yearly pivot point. This has tested once. Market has shown minor bounce. Second test. Also, take a look how this has happened. Market has broken through the yearly pivot, shows far action. Now it turns down again, tested, shows minor action. So market is tired and has no power to continue move higher. This also indicates the heaviness in the market. And also confidence support. So this is really strong support area. But at the same time, guys, take a look that we have A, B, C top pattern. And minor target, this minimum target of this pattern, stands at the 618 extension of this ABC reaction. It's easy to estimate even without placing the extension here, because take a look, as retracement has taken just 618 resistance, it means that 618 extension will be right at the bottom. It's right here. But for that purpose, market needs to break through this area and reach again lower border of this support range. That will be minor target, and probably it will be achieved. It's very high probability for that. We will take a look at some nuances on the intraday charts. You understand why we think so. Here probably this market will stop for some time, because take a look, this will be the daily average sold. And since market still will be inside of this support area, inside of the confidence, although at lower bottom of this area, still it will be inside of the support. That's why minor retracement here could happen. This is normal. After the hitting minor target, market could show minor retracement. This is absolutely natural behavior of the market. Potentially, we could get the move right to the monthly pivot support 1, as market has moved below the monthly pivot point. So next destination by the pivot framework is monthly pivot support 1, and this is really could happen if Fed will give today some hints on the possible rate hiking in July. Some more positive assessment of this probability. Besides, as we will stand closer to Brexit voting, the mass media will continue to make the situation hotter and hotter, and this also will press on the euro currency, because already now we see the massive propaganda of the that the voting stands in the favor of the out from the Brexit. So that's more people supports the out decision. So that's press on the currency. That's why as closer to the moment of the voting we will stand, as hotter situation will be and more nervous investors will be, and probably could lead for really further drop here even before the Brexit. So, but right now today we're watching for a possible reaching of approximately 111 area. On the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have another confirmation of this possible action. Take a look what has happened. So here we have lightning bolt ABCD patterns, very minor retracement here, just rate retracement. This also supports the idea of the weakness market, since after the drop market has shown just minor retracement. So just 3-8 retracement has happened after the leg of the down. Take a look, market has tested weekly pivot point even without any attempt to pass through it, and drop immediately to the weekly pivot support 1. This is also natural support resistance line. As you can see here was support, resistance, resistance. So we'll be support again. Also guys, here I don't have the extension, but this is also 618 minor extension of this A, B, C top D pattern. So here we have the weekly pivot support 1 and minor 618 extension. So this retracement here looks absolutely logical. It's normal stop. What is really interesting that if market will move slightly lower, it will reach the destination point probably that stands precisely at the bottom around 111 and coincides with the target of this larger ABCD pattern. So the AB equals CD target here coincides with the 618 AB CD target here. It stands again around 111 area. So that's what really could happen today, probably maybe even today, tomorrow, because very difficult to predict the degree of the volatility that will happen on the Fed announcement. But that is nearest destination for the euro currency, approximately 111 area. Also, guys, it's very interesting. It's thrusting action based on the non-farm payrolls release almost overruled by this drop. So if market today will complete this ABCD pattern, this will be another bearish sign, because when the market erases the former rally that was based on a really important event, this is really very important sign, and that confirms the bearishness of the market, and that market really could continue move lower. And finally, if this ABCD pattern will be completed, market also will drop below the weekly pivot support one, and it will show that this is not retracement inside a bull trend. This is bearish trend, and that gives more confidence with the further continuation here to the downside. So you can see how each detail stands with the other detail. It's very important, and it brings the whole picture that we have. So that's been said, to not confuse you too much. First we wait for 111 target. This will be completed, and after that we will see what to do next. But if 111 target will be reached, it will significantly increase chances on the next week that market will continue move lower to the approximately 109.50 to the monthly pivot support one. So that's what we see right now on the euro currency.